Trucks. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a tabletop Christmas tree using these conifer cones. I think you don't need expensive things to decorate your homes for holidays. You can use things that you can find around your house like these conifer cones, a paper cone, and glue it all together to make a beautiful tabletop decoration. So let's get started. So I have this huge conifer outside my house and I went out and collected these small cones. I think I was a bit late because they all had fallen down and broken into these pieces, but I'm going to use them to fill up the gaps because I think I don't have enough. And now we are going to glue these on this paper cone with hot glue. So let's start. I'm going to glue the biggest piece in the front with generous amounts of hot glue. So I have almost used up the cones and now I am going to fill the empty spots with these. Let's start at the bottom. And here is our tabletop conifer cone Christmas tree. I wasn't sure about these chips that I used to fill the blank spots in between. Halfway through I wanted to rip them off and start from the beginning, but I think these look adorable and they give a nice color contrast to the tree. And if you want you can spray them, but I didn't want to ruin this rustic effect, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And if you want you can also use string or fairy lights to light it up. Let me know your thoughts on this, and if you give it a try at home, please share your results with us. Merry Christmas! I've been Mr. Bean.